All right, if you own a third generation Toyota Tacoma like this one, this is a 2016 TRD Sport, and you've ever crawled underneath the front of your truck like here, and you may have noticed these two strange pieces. They're sticking out from the lower front of the frame on both sides, passenger and driver side. They are bolted on. They look like the part of the frame, and surprisingly, they can be removed pretty easily with a 17mm socket. I didn't really notice them until I removed that lower plastic air dam on the front just to make the truck look better. I didn't know what the point of it was. I just took it off. And then I noticed these things. I have no idea what exactly these things are. Then you start wondering, well, if there's one bolt, can I remove them? And should I remove them? I start wondering the same thing, so I did some research, and let's jump into it. So Toyota refers to these as front bumper extensions. You'll also hear Tacoma owners call them frame extensions, frame horns, or lower crossmember extensions. There's one on each side at the front of the truck. At first glance, they almost look like something Toyota added just for additional protection or ground clearance, but they're actually associated with Tacoma's factory front bumper and frame structure. Third generation Tacoma uses a body-on-frame design, and Toyota engineered the front bumper structure to transfer loads into the truck's frame. These bolt-on extensions are part of that factory arrangement. One reason I initially became curious about them is because of how easily they appear to come off. Like I said, you can use a 17mm socket and get them right off. Toyota didn't weld them permanently to the frame. They're bolt-on components. That makes sense from a repair standpoint because if the front of the truck is damaged, components associated with the bumper structure can potentially be replaced without cutting apart the main frame. And this is where things get interesting. If you look online at aftermarket Toyota Tacoma bumpers, particularly some high clearance off-road bumpers, you'll find installation instructions that actually tell you to remove these factory extensions. That's probably why you'll see some Tacoma owners driving around without these installed. But that doesn't necessarily mean Toyota put unnecessary pieces of steel underneath the truck. An aftermarket bumper may use an entirely different mounting system and replace portions of the factory bumper structure with its own brackets and reinforcements. So here's the important part. If you've got a Tacoma like mine, I would not remove these simply because they're easy to take off or because you want a little additional clearance. They are part of the factory configuration Toyota engineered for this truck. I would also not describe these simply as crash cans. So leave them where Toyota put them. This is one of those interesting little things where you can own a Tacoma for years and never really notice. I happened to see them while I was underneath the truck and thought, hey, those look removable. What in the world are they for? Now we know. They're not just random pieces hanging underneath the truck. They're Toyota front bumper extensions and part of the factory front end structure. So if you own a third generation Tacoma, take a look underneath yours and see if they're still there. And if you remove them for an aftermarket bumper, let me know in the comments what bumper you're running and whether its mounting system replaced these factory pieces. Hopefully it saves another Tacoma owner from looking underneath their truck and wondering, what are those things? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.